System restore is a feature available on Windows 11 that lets you create a copy of the system state as a restore point to protect your hard drive data. The feature automatically creates a restore point when it detects system changes, such as installing a new updates or driver. However, you can always create a copy of the working state of your computer manually. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to create restore point on Windows 11. I have a request: if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start on Windows 11. Search for create a restore point and click the top result to open the app. Under the protection settings section, select the system drive C and click the configure button. Select the turn on system protection option. Click the apply button. Click the OK button. Click the create button to create a restore point on Windows 11. Confirm a name for the restore point. Click the create button. Click close. Click OK. Hope you understand. I have a request: if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.